Hello everyone, this is Mr. Maloney. Today I'm going to be reading an article called California for you guys. In your reading work for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, you can use this article to help you complete the work about asking and answering questions. So, without any more explanation, I'll get started. California. California is famous for many things. Some people love it, and some people hate it. But California has so many different things in it that it is a very interesting place. In California, they have the hottest place in the world, Death Valley. However, in Northern California, they also have very cool places where it doesn't even get hot in the summer. California has huge cities like Los Angeles and San Francisco. However, it also has big wild forests where nobody lives. It also has many farms. In California, you can find many people from Mexico. You can also find many people from China, Korea, the Philippines, and many other countries who live in California. California has more people than any other state. Although people have so many opinions about California, it is a state that is full of differences. There are many different kinds of places, many different kinds of towns, and many different kinds of people.